How to set up a Google Business Profile complete guide for small businesses. Now, when someone is in your city and searches for the service you offer, what shows up? If your business is not appearing in those results, or if it shows up with incomplete information, with no photos and a handful of outdated reviews, you are losing customers to competitors every single day. Now, often competitors who are no better than you, just better set up on Google. Now, the Google Business Profile is the single most powerful free marketing tool available to a local business. It determines whether you show up on Google Maps, whether you appear in the local three pack of results at the top of a search page, and what potential customers see when they find you. Your hours, your photos, your reviews, your services, all of it lives on your business profile. And yet, a significant number of small businesses either haven't claimed their profile at all or claimed it years ago and left it half finished. Now, the good news is that it is entirely fixable, and fixing it has a measurable impact on how many people find you. So this video is a complete 2026 guide to setting up and optimizing your Google Business Profile from scratch, claiming it, verifying it, and filling it out properly. So let's get started. Now, before we actually touch the setup, it is worth understanding exactly what Google Business Profile does and why it deserves your attention. Now, before almost any other marketing channel, when someone searches for a service near them, like let's say I'm going to go ahead and write furniture store near me. Now, I'm going to search that up, and what's going to happen is Google is going to show a map and a list of local businesses above all the regular results. Now, that section is called the local pack, and appearing in it is one of the highest value positions in the local digital marketing. Now, the business in the local pack gets the majority of clicks for local searches and placements. So, of course, the three factors Google's local algorithm weighs in are relevance, which is basically, does your profile actually match what the person is searching? Distance, basically how close your business is to the searcher, and prominence, how well known and well reviewed your business is online. Now, you can't control your location, but you can significantly influence your relevance. Now, this guide is designed for business owners setting up a profile from scratch, or for those who've claimed a profile but left it incomplete. Now, by the end, you will have a fully optimized profile working for you around the clock. So, the first and foremost step is claiming your profile, and the process starts at business.google.com. So, what we're simply going to be doing is we're going to come over to business.google.com, and once you go there, you're going to sign up with a Google account. Now, ideally, you're going to go with one associated with your Google business rather than a personal account, and search for your business name. Okay. So in this case, as you can see, I'm going to go ahead. Now, this account of mine already has a business profile set it up that looks just as so. But what you can do if you don't have any profile set up is go over to that specific profile, and over here, as you can see, I'm going to go ahead and search for Google business. Now, once you go over here, as you can see, it says that you can come over to Google Business Profile and get listed on your Google. Now, what you're simply going to do is you're going to click on Start Now over here. Once we click on Start Now, what's going to happen is it will bring us straight to this section. So now, of course, you're going to add in your business name. So let's say I'm going to call it the Arc, okay? And you can claim it pretty easily. So, of course, if it's a new business, you can do that. If it's a current business, you can go with that. Choose your business type. Of course, it depends on you. So let's say I'm going to go ahead with online retail and a local store. Once we do that, we click on next. Now it says you can add your online store website. Of course, adding an online store website is much better, and it just gives you a much, more reliable and relatively good work, because when someone is searching for your business, everything will come up. Now over here, it asks you your business category, so I'm going to go with services, and let's go ahead with something like health and beauty shop. We're going to click on next. It asks us our business address, so where are you located? Of course, you're going to go ahead and add in your address. Now I'm going to add this here, and I'm going to add all the necessary things that it needs. Once this is done, it says, is this your business? Now, of course, if that is your business, you could go ahead with that or just skip it completely. Now it says add your phone number. We're going to skip that entirely as well. And now it says put your business on the map. So, of course, you're going to click on continue. Once you click on continue, from here on out, what's going to happen is you are going to be taken straight into the business profile section. Now, over here, as you can see, it's going to start verifying you. It says you're now verified, which is good. And it says you can reply to reviews, turn on chat, and do much more. Now, once this is done, you can go ahead and start adding your business hours. So let's say I'm going to go ahead with Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. We're going to be open, and you can choose, when you're open. So let's say for these, I'm going to go with 24 hours. And of course, Saturday and Sunday, I'm going to go with closed. So Monday to Friday, we're going to be open. Then you can add your business description, like the ARC provides the best, let's say, personal health and skincare products in the cheapest prices. Okay, you could go with that. Finally, click on next. Now, once you click on next, here it says add a storefront photo. So of course you can go ahead and select an image for this as well. And of course for proper setup, do make sure to go ahead with this because it is very necessary to make sure that it has all the necessary things that you need. So let's say I'm going to add this image. And once we've added the image and it is fully uploaded, simply click on next from there. And once all of this is done, click on next. Over here, it says add photos of your store. Now, of course, you could go ahead and display your unit. Now, if you want to fully advertise your business, you can claim your $400 advertising credit, but of course, you will have to go ahead and pay Google a certain amount. But you could skip that. Again, if you want a custom domain, you could do that as well, but skip that. And once all of this is done, you're going to click on continue. And once you've clicked on continue, as you can see, your business profile is fully created and good to go. So once all of this is done, you have pretty much set it up all the difficult things in it. Your Google business profile is working around the clock, whether it is optimized or not. Now, if it's incomplete, inaccurate, or inactive, it's costing you customers to competitors who've done the work. Now, the setup takes a few minutes. The ongoing maintenance is 30 minutes a month, and that's a remarkably small investment for the visibility it generates. So claim your profile today if you haven't, and if you have, go through each section in this video and close the gaps for yourself. So that is pretty much about it for this video. Thank you for watching till the end, and I'm going to be seeing all of you in the next video. Have a great day. Goodbye.